Seng ake moko beni tamo wonyu chole. Na me fesa me ka wonyu mole. Ebusiame ma wo good afternoon. Nyami mo de Leleng moko bekra ni tamo woni. Why na why no say nyankropo wa abrabu mo boa. Oye hye enye wate. Ebusa me gidi sa wo ho ye papa pa. Erade ye yo we ye pie ne. It is a great Monday. The start of the week. Oh, Bibia be fine. What's it? Bibia be fine. Now, Titi, what over the weekend? No. Now, okay, what's in the one summer? I'll be who say yes, Eradi. Wakwama. Now, can't say to so no be who said bed Daniel Bono. Yeah, there are there set now watch for asa bet so yeah. I guess the Nantika Kakro. Oh, when Chebaku Fajide type Bibiara wo ye chinerade obedoma boa. And one is a ubejinedi. Now where you throw if you were boom, where you throw if you were dreaming. Also, Psalm 91. I'll see he that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. And I'll say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress. So what I say, so we share. Ne hinta bia ne nko ade definitely obekwam so nim say eye nyankopon basa yi adom ai the show nyankopon oh no me ma kwaba wa nim say brene dusuno eye Sompa delight. We are here to delight your afternoon. We are here to bring you the joy of the Lord, which will be your strength. Eradine ni jeno ebema wa hoden ti fa bebre shawa kumemu. Se wodam pem na wo hupo na edrodo wa o nye hunu se owo ho ma wa shena bofo ama so mummon ho ban. Now what time for the omunasi beya true said omnam clay so clay I didn't see you so no move for her no mudium nice ha no ma pa om disi ha no ma pa san e beyo ama we hu na we ni aje enti order for me wa kwa ba biom ai me gidi sa wo hu ye papa pa erade adom ne wa heidie I mean producer Becca se teshe mada bodwe mu na moje edi emu efu sane de na nyankopon basa yi adom wa ye ye ho aye den se nyame asem no ye de radiase it's going to be a great week kasache it's going to be a great week and then maybe to be status so I mean we see the intentional God nyame na o sheda eye na de no wo do ho twere ne de a de tie bia be ko yama enti yama wakwaba you'll be excited the whole week news bia obeti bia be papa news bia obeti bia be ko yama contract na wo hwehwe no promotion na wo hwehwe no chese sika na wo hia no ni nyina beba and one wujidie enti mama kwaba this week is going to be a great week now this week no bibi mama so bibebo me say this week my interview Abena Ruthy the musician enti Abena Ruthy the show host will interview Abena Ruthy the musician enti I share him Oh, yeah, there, it's a great new week. Now, Miss Velt Lady, Ajineja, ain't me man akwaba. I'm fed ya, beautiful stick. What's up?
Cool.
Yeah, there, the white is whiting. The white is whiting.
Yeah.
I had no committee.
And then me hakra.
Hey, sir, me saying.
What's the office be?
My office new. Maybe I share back here because they say, "Oh, see me why if I'm so Michiano." I am na your committee or spirit man. I say, Abake, obey since my ministry. Abake me child shrunko.
Well, why?
But that's
I like the wig.
Thank you. Now, Minchia producer extraordinaire, Elder Jerry One. Oh, Elder, Bibi Abe fine, what's it? Ye chow papa. Now you find chia kesi susuma antiako siago awaji Madam Communication. Aye, Mommy, oh me, boko dear. Mami chasa fu biwa no matter so kasa o masu. Onia Jenny na muma nyankropon basa yadom no be you Mami fan chakesi so ma Auntie Amy Newman, our lovely mother. Mommy, let's say na me fan chakesi so ma wa wutie me woteme nene nkwa de me chia obefu. We too much. Azadwa Bibia ye fine.
You ready ado. Na watch for asakwa baby.
You know.
And then so your Monday.
Asa one wo form.
Oh, Sam.
Biam.
And then so your Monday.
Amplify. I Monday.
Monday okay.
Monday.
And I said we no na yeah na wo.
Incident there. Yachim Bibia ye fine. Yeah, met here for Aquaba with your signature. Sompa Delight.
Sompa Delight.
Now you're
your producer there. Sompa.
You say, wow.
That Jerry Pato, my audience, I can't go your frequency, but at least I tried.
Oh, you did. And you did great. It's the end of Lexta Company Limited as the producers of Yastud Paste, Yastud Brush, Sabibia, almost so Yasne, Nayenda 3 butterfly schools. So I say, Abruja Bagana, Smakacho, Fabaneko, who waited 3 months to 5 years in Kriade. A hard now began to tear Parmano, Yado must say. I tell you, Yaba. And then, where that be day bano? Usually I bought a certain word. Yeah, more no, but and only describe it sad and into I'm going to explain. Into yeah, go straight to vocabulary.
All right.
Corner. Are you ready?
We are ready.
All right. And you're not
Bang.
Okay. Ice. I can give you. All right, into your word for today. Mocktail. So like I was saying, most of the time, cocktail na yeka. But yentre mocktail meaning na fe makani inti a make us say was I can no but no waka cocktail because I yenim inti mocktail me spell it MOCKTAIL mocktail. Sounds like cocktail near COCKTAIL, but mocktail near MOCKTAIL. See, yeah, for meaning MAT4.
Okay, or say a mocktail is a mixed non-alcoholic drink designed to mimic the complex flavors, appearance, and sophisticated presentation of a traditional cocktail.
Okay.
It uses bases like juices, teas, or zero-proof spirits combined with fresh herbs, syrups, and carbonated mixes.
And this one so one mocktail pa. And so I a friend a cocktail.
Yeah.
So almost set it up na say amfa alcohol and fra a mocktail.
Okay.
They be no near no.
And one here no cocktail. Okay.
Cocktail no dear a spirits womb. Aha. And see quickly amfa cocktail meaning the embrace for na no. It's or say a cocktail is an alcoholic drink made by mixing a spirit with other items like juice, flavor, syrup, or bitters. It's in near alcohol womb near friend cocktail near alcohol near friend mocktail. Okay. Ain't here no ya chill so yeah no. Ain't he man can say oh me per cocktail me penny alcohol debut. Uko hakasa open mocktail. Only so ni mo betiasi. Okay. So unim so antiasi ampacho the catch say penny alcohol. It's yet no ni mocktail. The general one na alcohol a cocktail inti ya chremo and ya sremo mukwa munyusu. Inti men ko kasa open cocktail wa bra wonim say pe alcoholic one. Okay. No. All right, now wait, some party lights, some kind of bit me a church. It's extra mumu use into car flexing haka. Say, gentleman, patch me per mocktail. Can I get a mocktail? A glass of mocktail. Aha, now we knew that's what name no. Or the people of Rada with the you know, we are no watch no crown, no catching. Oh, ni alcohol nim a mocktail, and the alcohol woman and a cocktail. Into yesterday, Mosani Ayaka no use NTC Concoursa, and then you have a friend, lovely lady B. Before the break, that or ye be being one was so being to your best friend, or your name to me. Nah, ye name no. Read with my spelling name no. Or catch up is no be a name no. This year, name no. And Tabusia, NTC Concoursa, would not. Yeah, call don't answer your cold break. And now be just for Beba. Yeah, Beba me didn't come so. And you're not crane, and they mean we that. That's all. Okay, so yen start say stories no with Stonebwoy. Over the weekend, no Stonebwoy echo shut it down. UK ain't Ovio Arena Wembley London na Beam Fest Beam Festival so na ye share performances ye share videos ni video who was social media ni ade no kwasem ne say show no very successful organization no na kama we share stage crafts artists I invite one more ebe performing wo program na seni ade no. Everything was nice. It was beautiful. I mean, when Stonebwoy mounted the stage, me share ne outfit, no, and patuma my next picture, no, Stonebwoy outfit, no, ne stage setup, no, utum se na a blended camera, like was said that it was very beautiful, and me share kakra there, but me I watched a few of the videos and I was like, oh. For Facebook now, so go here when this one day. So went to me and share concerts. Yeah, and see, Yanka say, no, I think Stonebwoy did a great job. He really did a great job. And now Momo ba yes, Samini, Kwabena, Uforian Ponsa, Dope Nation, more, Mr. Silva, Mr. P, ne, Omo Keke Kahunina. I mean the program, in fact, Yentu Chema Stonebwoy. And I've seen and I've seen the conversation going on social media. Also recently na ye bet na heya na Saturday no ye bibi show ni ye cancel ye ambaso any ade later ibedi hu nkomo wa ha. Enti people want to tell Shatta fans to say after everything that happened this weekend, so still now mo person mo kire say you are still saying that there's a dancehall artist I be a custom boy Shatawale mo person mo kire still now mo da so yes and fans obi ani obu na anko ye obi ani lem na to be share them home ade.
So capacity na sem no.
Me interested.
In fact me more interested wo hono because Shatawale program no.
Yeah.
Ye beka say enkrofo koma omo broso. Enu nti na stampede ni kura si ye eni ade. But Stonebwoy event no stampede BNC.
Okay.
They are saying that the place was filled. But my whole conversations be so cause why I say, I mean, let's face the facts. Say there were part of auditorium honomona na ye the curtains. You know, ye the curtains asensan ho just to cover up the place. Say a hobeye ye cha enye too visible like emma footage. You know, enye kama. Unsa uko baby nebi the place is filled that ucha. Yeah, na very very nice, and you know, so yeah, the curtains cha baby kakra say, yeah, said them who do you see yeah what? That's the conversation on social media. I don't know me of you or man hobby, but the who you know, and I can. And that's the conversation I echo so. So my failure auditorium nasa o man failure auditorium.
I say, in order not to expose entire place need to curtain
baby
so all round curtain all round so ne be ya meet me feel
baby
okay feel baby woni nyina but curtain dey visible curtain dey visible inti no inti mama nya argument say wa feel ho abro yi obi endi ni lemu obi a ye no craft e ma ye fe ekoyie inti no mama ye nja ne saa na omu per comparison no do but ni na aka ho na e ma show business a thrive do because e ka craft ne ho omu ye na na che say obia ehun say we na eko obi edi ni lemu
it's you know so that's it with Stonebwoy over the weekend and the course so okay Arabi guy ya no ye dance o ye oko hiatus
where you oko hiatus oh nice
oko hiatus in paso and run you who say was sign e dia beto say he's coming back and o sheda na o de ne hu sie kakra because na ese wo hwe na osiesie ni o ma bi o ye ne hu adwuma ye ni o bi wo ho no mo an personal life mu na ese o sorting oh yes why nice pa why nice inti o be 2 years ni e de wonte Arabi enka our industry no but nyame adom o sesesi ade he has come and he has come for good inti ogidi pa say be ya wo be and yoma be brave besesa so oda ne family ne wo mo support your fans ni nyina so motimi anya abotwe still na there are people who love him that's why follow support ne craft no inti yen so anim say bia by the time afi be ko na wie ye ne de na ya ti bibi from Arabi that say bia single bia na say bibi na ono so the den na ye brass secret the bia woni se papa wo kofa biba na secret akofa bia ba efa enkomo bia ukodiye se ye nyina ye sofo Daniel Obinim Obinim Bishop Angel ni TV station na o running no se minim so wa follow ba me sometimes e bi wo ha wo kwa no wani akwa akotwa so mo yi movies pa
I see
Nollywood movies jai any Ghana for the say akrapo de Ghana for the na e wo form kakra ntino but omo yi movies pa any ye di to YouTube ha obekọ na eda ho obekọ no na omu yi
I see
and now baby say opese wo enquire say papa no in station no omu wo license because of course ubetimi eyi but at least ubeyi that is after why due diligence say we obi adwuma e na waye ubekwa kokohwe mukra na nipa ne nyan cash out kra ohia say wonya ansa na movie na ba sa de we ya ka eye copyright issues ni ade wo se wa no ankasa ye ne hwehwe mu akọ office ho copyright office ho akọ check e okoye no na bibia sa ni ho enti omo de omo pe na eye saa ne oma no no makwa akoyi enti no say enye omunko there are a lot of stations wo Ghana ha omo ye saade no ye bra Socrates say industry ni wo fom enti so obi e bread ni sika ye ni production na ode koto ho at least nipa no onya bibi kakran free man sa na e bia beba bonten obi ya free download ni ade a ba movie na ebu ho a eto ho ne eto ho awia na e release ya enyumre 2 hours 3 hours na obeko no na TV station bi na omu yi it's not nice you can't say dey we ya but once emra no eto da we are not able to enforce it properly ntino sebi obi a eye dia ope enti wo sese pese creative industry no ekọ animu dia ene ye bra Socrates safo say saade ne yenyaye kra because we ye a broadcaster who own station bia it doesn't give you the ultimate right to say obi e the production beto ha obefa na unsu akwa akoyi na wo ye ne de openti no ono de na futu a ode aba eno no enti
when I think say I was say movie producers ne so no omunye chire no mamra ne nya adwuma
but the thing is imagine me my production e de akoto YouTuber. Do you think say menya time I monitor station by station? I mean, you might not even know the time it will air. And you know, say be a minimum how the monitoring can be. Minimum.
So, into your what the police. So, if you say, Emrano into me and Chinkofone Mausa, you what the police until and you ma beto ye ama say obi kofa on to me fano
because first no almost started those productions na omo mfa bibia ntum say be adjusary productions a unhu bibia sa agisa wo come me page so na be say movie na da me page so later and omo de watermark ade ba ya ene adjusary TV na ebom na egu ase kakra na say dan chen say de be but so the stations they do. Until at the end of the day, you know, I don't even know Nientia Omo Eye because it was for that purpose. Now they don't even care.
Sound come way. Sometime ago Nigeria producer Bisukra be complaining say
yes
Ghana TV stations be fat na de near there mo be ma one near there. Inti no yen ko some push we'll get there yen kakra. But fast I mean your conscience kakra like you're saying nipa no why be because of person nya ho
sir
much as so wo channel wa wo so wo pen fa so because wo pe eyeball so that go fit me aba hode omunwuma aba na so nya ho ska na nipa ne so oye ye nti ema conscience anya adwuma kakra ye be so edi ho nkomo.
Okay so we are aware say Ramsey Noah e wo town
okay story be
yes nti Ramsey Noah aba Ghana na oba beboa Lewin eye kwadwo kansa omo wo production fufuro bi a omo ba be work on inti no oba ye no nso no Kumase wa ba kra wakokumase inti wa compare two cities no and it's very interesting you know ye nim say Ghana had the love for Ramsey Noah no was try me in Nollywood as a Ghana ne Nollywood for ne de omo ye baako se bi kura tuti ho omu ye o madwuma ne ade and o say ohuni say kuma ofili Kumase chen akra you know as a Kumase no call ye no amanfo ehun jo ase bibia da phone boko ase you know ye jeje so amanfo so ahun brasie wo Kumase na se baraha na so oba na se big boys town be you know nobody cares about anybody be obi sorry ase wealth ni big boys ni big girls town enti ase enti no de we ni say we who two cities no I mean Ghana is beautiful but we who say bebia ne said the asetena ne tie bebia ne said the relations no eti we who say Kumase for the omo ho jopan se ade oni omo ana ebehwe abom oni omo ana ebehwe abom enti eja eno nso ne Ramsey eno no eja lawyer bi nso so offer free services ama hotel wife or say hotel wife no be advice na say on pay divorce or be yenso de or be man of free legal services enti no lawyer Mary Ohinewa also inti but then me say obi asemba allow them to take the decisions they want to take.
Right.
Enya wo na abekwa akokache nipa ne se wonya ni kunu ana wonya so obeja you say wonya you your no one decision. At the end of the day, if she decides that one is fine, but say bia obi asemba na afa ni yebetufo ene yebeye say ena ye okunu say ena fa ne fa ha ena fa na ko ha ena gie japade ena ye say no sande omanioma no emwa lady na ono aba bontia beka ne story dada. And so we oba, I mean per what she's saying, she's aware of the excuse me to say the promiscuous life of ne husband no or ya aware e man ni kunu ni omo twempra nyina wonim and someone ni kunu ne keka ne sa ne ma ne ma she's aware and she's been there till sa sex tape baye. I'm sure she knows what she's doing. Inti decision be a obeyes obe take no ye be jai no na wasini gina ye. Inti otele ene na wife on so almost the inti anti Abena mame emfa my stories no. Me fancy.
Na me who tell ne post be na aso sunbi on to me nda ne ade ase say old one resurface you said you
said yes ye na
Misa
won to me na wonna pa wonna wonna because one okofa by I mean we are not saying that from so de wo ho and from so wo ho bia timi ye mistake no asua bibia free mu. I'm sure so no ankasa de atuni kwa ebe obesua bibia free mu say enima bi wo ho no mo a eye expensive joke, very very expensive. Say
serious
into ono de be fa nani ase no. Sometimes you might not value what you have until you lose it. And eya me yase nipa yetimi na wa twenya ma ye lose ya de kro no afanse ne ye ni beba ye ho so enye. You don't always have to lose good things before be realize they say oh sadie we na esum. If you appreciate say ye nipa say ye adio, if it's a human, if it's a thing, value it. Men try ma de ni influence sansa and some obaka say ye say na adie
yanka na ka ekire
bakonya adwuma kama bi ya wo ye. Everything is going on well. Ejumeru asha kama o treat we ye bibia ye fine na wo wia no
serious obo ya da
wia no
obo fi so bani ase anwan
afei ye chew ne ye pam ko tena fie na watena fie na adwuma no wonya bia
wasemi a wo kan ye amama kai eyi bi eyi omo aya omo de momo eye payment wo various enwuma no aya enwuma wura no omo ani na ho. One time be me call place be wo su. No, it wasn't Osu, cantonment or so. Laboni, yeah, me refi. Na me to bibi, me toye no. Ena waiter no. Eba na me si me use momo. Eno ma me number.
Okay.
Na momo ni si table ni so ba ma dwene ya nkoso. Enti ye na o ma me number na me say edin ben ne wo so. Eno bo odin no. Who say sometimes aya obi din ba enti no ma I didn't even think twice. And that was the first thing I bought. But me tina hot check akra inti I bought another thing. Me told you na monsieur. No door so say first one. So me told you na monsieur. Me sign the momo etia. E ho no ka share me say me mbo number na
e table ne so no.
Say I dey na ye different. And also we ni chese na afi na no popo mu ni o. Na chese first one no jabre.
Wasandi akọ ne ho.
Because me nim na me regular customer nti na dey no nti na nyuma kofo e was how your mumu mani da ho na face so say inscription bi na wo be tro wo place hopo say only pay to they say na indicate here so that obi obeba ho foforo no obe hu to say me na call for the first time. I didn't think say number no dia mama na bibi a enye correct, but you know that happened nti no dem ye ni na ho na conscience I dey conscience anyway. Sabe ka see ebedi komo ebedi komo na me sweetheart be our music industry name. I mean wa wo mo ache me nim ni so ache. In fact me ni share wo hash studios 2001 or so. And I mean many je ne ho wa bo adwuma papa na no o ye bibi foforo ena mesio ene na ye ba ha ye ne be di nkomo ai se na be ya ade a oye no odi betu dwa enti abusuafo ye ne Miss Bell the bonkomo se be bo ni din wani agi ai Miss Bell abi 16 years hitmaker ye ne no ebedi nkomo enche kra o se oye Afro Essence Village na ye arts, culture and heritage na o unveil Afro Essence no enti ye ne no ebedi nkomo enche ye guso a ye bo na homam. Afro Essence Village, you see a unique African destination you're created to celebrate our art. Now you're preserving your heritage. Now I inspire children and then build a stronger, more connected community. That's interesting. I really want to know more about it, because we say in the industry, you try to say, we now try so be a Hall of Fame to preserve near your war. The last time crowd be for by any edin come say, yeah, old in Kofoya, a bimu, and you baby quay. Omunyo money to do na ye hunu biomu ye ntishi biomu about it. But omu je enyuma enene ukwa yi ase enum na ne ye bo baby a obefe bia na obia soso ani je ho ai enti ne se obi so oye bibi say dia na ne I believe say was ye born abaso na ade obia no 22nd August which is Saturday ebe ya time near 12 p.m. prompt. Now venue near Afro Essence Village, Malambgbawe, Accra. Malambgbawe ena obie ewo enti yebetenenka na yehu near Afro Essence Village no echere. Abusiasa na mekae no ye ne yes sister Miss Bell ebedin komo mensa akano. Hello. Hi sis. Na pomwe.
Hi. Acho bibi aboko.
Ye there radiasi. Abi 16 years. Hey, mau e kosa mau mitumi hu se sisi ade. Vima bama neoma e koso. Boye mu kakra e kosa so mpeti for 8 ye wawie.
Oh, in that tree there, so I win him that. Oh, do it, you are phone by force. Ain't no. Oh, Bill, who do it, you are the phone.
They are phone.
When you that see them cry at the phone, want to know. In that tree, yeah, managing the sun air corner, but the only movie, maybe a new mutual.
That's right.
Then me a movie, baby, but in that tree, I said I'm not active like before. Yeah, but yeah, boy, I'm
Why are dear? Now, me who say we be I mean, worth talking about Afro Essence Village. Boy, muka crasses.
Sompa. Oh, me that. Afro Essence Village, a new face of a Juma me. And I'm a person made it to a bonting. On say me were playground. Playground, me were playground. Me were restaurant. Me were answer so. But over the years, now I've come to realize, my customers, no, they do honor a foreigner. Any Ghana form tree, Ghana, they want to come and leave their children at my playground or come and hang out, eat, and a good time at my place. And they love the environment, but if it's there, I was say, will be a baha no or they or share the benefit country, no any creative art.
Wow.
Because even though the food is good, the environment is hospitality is good, you know. They would like to learn something about the country, especially foreigners, you know. So yeah, this idea is there. Yes, it's a Ejumani in Afro Essence Village.
Wow.
Obaha, Obe Tinienya, local drinks, so below Asana, Neda, Teda. Yeah, local drinks, meaning Ubenya Waha Anum. Yeah, that's serving locally from the Calabash and not from the port.
Okay.
I Ubenya local food, you know, I could do up the way. Apart from that, so instantly, I born you when I did in the culture, drumming and dancing.
Okay. Wow.
So music, I'll be enjoy a culture, drumming and dancing, and then we make sure that everybody gets interactive, everybody gets involved until we'll be able to Opa you join in, we dance together, we play together.
Wow.
Kolani bebo ampe, ye pilolo,
wow.
ye bolu oware. And after it's once in a while, yeah, the elder people my history of Ghana.
Okay.
And the young culture.
Wow.
So it will not just be a playground and a restaurant and a bar, but it will a place that will promote our culture and the creative industry. Yes, I also was shop waha. Makika creative work. I know album already I show. Wait to me at all. It's not just about it's about the history and the story that comes with Yamana. Any actually, it is a open utopia. To from our kente to our batiks to our tie and dye to calabash to sculptures, paintings. And to when you know, to monkey and get into the maybe wow.
That's
so
amazing.
We
said that's amazing.
Thank you so much. And you know, Afro Essence Village, me thinking in the yes, it's not a human, and I ever say a body rule. Na yen dog for no money and customers and near followers in our set to see idea. Obaha, Obeta so here be a Ghana.
Wow.
Any creative art, it's not just a place like it used to be anymore. But you're not and who's
no. It's just we are creative because we say industry nankasa na yesiki say ye beye saa nneoma we ni na museum scrap so mu space na ye de ye saa nneoma we ni ade. So if as an individual wait to me adwene ho atene we place into such a thing, I think say ye worth celebrating indeed. Inti ye bo aba so papa.
Me that say. And me never be who so. Me person me dey to when him say, "Oh yeah, o kan ye penny for you, music and penny for you." Never be who na me say music ga yen space ga yen office hono. Yen bibi sa I wo hono. Say ya foreigners never. They can have a feel of our creative art nyama ni bi. Any culture ni bi. I believe say yen space I want everything I shop